Good morning, honorable members.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Akoi point of order Akoi Tagakiba opposition ki MLA in the Tankiba Asian Dadam Tayabi Masu. Humbia, I was Akoi Tagatra, the house is a Tabayaro.
Honorable Speaker,
it's all this deprived order.
Nahan Business Advisory Committee meeting is not mockery. Democracy
under rule number 271.
No, rule number 2, we know the rules.
Under rule number
democracy, let us set democracy, let us set constitution.
I masigi Hanagi business.
We want to get the answer. Answer the honorable speaker because you are the
President of the House.
We want to get the answer from you.
Honorable Speaker, under rules 271 in Makata Business Advisory Committee na left schedule program do orally leader of the House na.
Kauriba session the karama makhalgi session no short notice session la or natraga non-member session la adu the honorable Speaker Madhu Pidio. When the Kauriba session there under what condition the government rule the Makata government me am khalo. Akoi business ka ni करने हाइजर से no रुली मत नहीं हाइजर से we want to save our democracy, we want to save our rules of the conduct of business.
Rule of law with great sorrow and heavy heart. Many lives about democracy.
We know, we need the rule.
Like this,
there is no rule.
What
there is no rule.
insufficient?
Where are the rules of procedure conduct of business of the Manipur Legislative Assembly?
Be followed families, communities, and the state.
Manipur Kanjari of the House Samane, Manipur Kalita of the House Committee Canary.
And the condolence to their families and the loved ones.
Manipur Kanjari of the House Sunday.
House anonymously resolved.
Manipur Bazaar I met me. Ngasi ang nari karigina mo ta one day before tayo pili mo rang karigina. House ang jaya batari. Ako yung rules of procedure talaga.
Community.
One day before tayo business is for jamon double kasi pili. Set democracy. Set the rules of procedure of business. Set the rules of procedure of business on the Manipur Legislative Assembly.
Something is written to the entire state through dialogue and constitutional means.
Ako ilan mapiyaray, public right mapiyaray, public right mapachunga yaroy, public right mapachungaray. Hoki ready sujimo, Canada dana, karigida magda, ijandar hati baru karigida.
In the interest of our state and the nation, by adopting this resolution, this House reaffirms its dedication.
Ako ina rule ki makada, para may memorial pusale, para makatok talaga. The House in Alba is adopted. Territory initiative and financial integrity of the state of Manipur shall be preserved, protected and maintain the honor of the state, peace and harmony of the state, and the affairs upon the government, peace of Manipur, upon the city of Jepikandale.
Under rule number 132,
set the rules of conduct of business.
Lord the Labor Quarter.
Set the rules of conduct of business.
Manipur ki praja
Manipur ki tajir mein kari tum ne kisi house ta Manipur khada na pecha ta choke bar
Loina kami ki siapna
house ta khada jade na kari
an honorable sister
Karigin member malay malay karina. Manipuri member.
Asik kita mah, hari ini dan wajib penggup dari.
Sada sebentar ya. Orang bersih kalau betul ini.
Itu pun kita angkat Dr. Budi Mokdana.
Orang bersih boleh saya tahu ya. Orang bersih boleh saya tahu ya. Aku ini housing kan dia. Sungai. Kan dia. Manipur dah santi dah. Manipur dah uji thoi ni seni kan jalan. Manipur kami sudah keraya bersama. Manipur kami Manipur kan pergi agenda ya oke. Manipur kan pergi agenda ya oke. Manipur kan pergi agenda ya oke. Keraya wisi agenda kita. Rule jatuh Manipur lagi.
Saya punya silent dulu.
Manipur में आने मांगने तो भोला बोल रहे
मसीदी नहीं नाम तबा रूल नहीं तबा डेमोक्रेसी नहीं तबा अदुना मसीदी हाउस से मदम जादे कोई न हाई बंदा दे कोई की क्वेश्चन नंबर की राइट दे कोई की मूव तबा प्राइवेट रिजोल्यूशन मेंबर मणिपुर नाम ने मुझे मत
पाथो Karigi, sih agenda kita Manipur kan bagi agenda tayang deh. Manipur kan tayang deh. Apa ni Manipur kan habis dah kita kena dijual mukta boleh pato. Pato ni. Manipur ki Assembly House House sila. Lepas kasi kita territory integrity ngan dalam ina makta. Kau nak tangkap. Kau nak tangkap.
हम दरबार में सिंह वाले कई गुमान से तो मेरा हन लॉकल लगा दी कमाई न खन्ने
Numin panani kau biu jaya tu ni. Khanda se आगे कती जाए.
5 days खन्ने Manipur की बात सीधा वही सुने खन्ने से.
कोई की राइट लियो.
कोई की राइट लियो.
कोई की राइट लियो.
Pungha emagi hamen.
Demokrasi kang dapat demokrasi khungoi na ba